How to implement a NOR gate using NMOS. So in the previous video we have seen how to implement the NAND gate. So directly I will just directly go to the NOR gate and then the operation. So first let us draw the circuit, then we will draw the truth table from the circuit. It will be easy to understand. So first point is what? We have a load MOSFET. So draw the load MOSFET here. This is the gate for the load MOSFET and it is connected here where plus 5 volt is given. So this is gate, this is drain and this is source. Now how to connect the MOSFETs to get a OR gate? So in this case it will be connected in parallel. So if I connect one MOSFET here, so it will be connected like this. So this will be my drain, source and the gate is connected here, and there will be another MOSFET as well. This is N-MOS I am doing. This is drain, this is source and this will be your gate. In this case the inputs are taken as here A input and here B input is given. Okay. Now let us do the truth table. So again in the truth table we have two inputs, that is A and B, and there is one output, that is F. So this is A and B. So what will be the inputs? Combinations are 0 0 1 1, 0 1 and 0 1. Okay, so let us apply all the conditions and then we will see that how the circuit is works. So again the source side it is connected to your ground, and from where to take the output? So from this point the output is taken, that is F or V out. Okay, so first condition is 0 0. So if I give 0 0, that means I am giving 0 voltage here and 0 voltage here. So if I give 0 voltage, so what will happen? Both the transistor will be behaving as a open circuit in this case. So if both transistor is operating as open circuit, that is Q1 and Q2. Okay, let's just do the logic diagram. Then so here my Q1 is there and here the Q2 is there. Okay, and here the output is taken F and plus 5 volt is available here. I am not doing the load resistance and it is grounded. In the first case, if 0 volt is given, so what will happen to Q1? So gate voltage is 0, that means the channel is not created. So drain to source current will not be there and it will behave as a open circuit in this case. Now what will happen to input B? So first condition we are taking, that is 0 0. So for 0 0 the input B is also 0. So gate is again 0 voltage is given, no channel is created. So drain to source in this case behave as a open circuit. So it will behave as a open circuit. Now you see the plus 5 volt is given here and there is no path for the current, or there is no short circuit to reach the ground. So that's why in this case we will get plus 5 volt, that means we will get logic 1. So for 0 0 input we are getting the logic value as 1. Now let us see the second case where the input is 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 input means what? A is given as 0. So A is given as 0 volt and B is given as plus 5 volt. In this case what will happen? A, the Q1 MOSFET is open circuited again because 0 volt is given, and the Q2 MOSFET will be short circuited in this case because it is the gate voltage here is 5 volt. Now once it is short circuited, the current will flow in this direction as a short circuit path, and in this case we will get the output as 0 volts, right? 0 volt means logic 0 will get. So for 0 1 input the output is 0. So next is this third logic we will take, that is 1 0. So if I take 1 0, that means in the input side I am giving, so in the input side I will be giving plus 5 volt, sorry, A will be plus 5 volt and your B will be 0 volt in this case. Okay. So if A is plus 5 volt, then the MOSFET 1 will behave as a short circuit and the MOSFET 2 will behave as a open circuit because 0 volt is given. In this case what will happen? The current will flow in this direction, sorry. In this case the current will flow in this direction as a short circuit path and the output will be 0 again. So here the output is 0. Next case is if both the values are 1. So what will happen if both the values are 1? So here I will be giving plus 5 volt. In this case, so what will happen in this case? Here it is short circuited and Q2 is also short circuited. If both the MOSFETs are short circuited, then current obviously it will go through the short circuit to the ground, and in this case we will get 0 volt again. So here the output will be your 0. So this is the, if you remember, this is the truth table of a NOR gate. So 0 0 input is 1, and in all other cases the output is 0. So this is how you can implement different logic gates using N-MOS. In the next video we will see how we can implement a complex Boolean expression using N-MOS.